Hello, so in this video we're going to talk about the complete herbal treatment for hepatitis B. Hepatitis B. So you need unripe pawpaw, you need pawpaw roots. You can get the pawpaw roots in the market from those women selling herbs. You need few moringa roots, the moringa tree, the roots. You need fresh moringa leaves. You need fresh papaya, that's papaya or pawpaw leaves. You need just little few coconut roots, and you need 3 lemons, cut in half each, So again, you need unripe pawpaw, you need pawpaw roots, you need moringa roots, you need moringa fresh leaves, you need pawpaw fresh leaves, you need 2 coconuts, a few small coconut roots, and then you need 3 melons. Actually, three, not 3 melons, sorry, 3 lemons. You cut into half, and you put everything in a pot, but make sure that the leaves, when you put everything, you put the leaves on top. After putting everything, you put the leaves on top. Then you add about 4 liters of water and you boil it for like 50 to 60 minutes. Boil, make sure it's well boiled. Then you can take, the dosage is to take a glass of this herbal medicine 3 times daily. Just take a glass 3 times daily after food. Remember, if you have ulcer, you have digestive problems, please do not take this. This is very, very good for hepatitis B. How long can you use it? You can use it for 3 weeks to 1 month. Some people use it for 2 months, but please do not exceed 2 months. It's very, very, very effective. So if you cannot get all this, or you haven't stressed getting all this, you can also get Cbiotics. It's our herbal formulation, prepared in the lab for hepatitis B and other infections. Very, 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 very effective. I'll put a link to the video describing how to get this product. You can also call me to ask your questions on 080-683-54455. Please do not take these herbal remedies I'm posting. Don't take them for granted. They are very powerful and they are very, very effective. Thank you.